Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 with error code the application was unable to start correctly. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. Copy third command from description and paste it. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Check all .NET Framework features. Click Let Windows Update download the files for you. Click Restart now. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Click Update History, click Uninstall Updates. Uninstall recently installed update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.